Alright, this is an unboxing video for this waterproof outdoor LED camping lantern and flashlight. I was getting this to replace these items. This is a little cheapy freebie Harbor Freight flashlight lamp with a magnet and hook on it that I put by one of the doors into the house. I also use this lantern, and these are both for power outages, so I keep lights near each point of entry into the house, so I know if I go to any point of entry I have a lantern. So I got this $30 or less, and the idea is for it to replace one of those. So I guess that says it all right. It's got magnets on it. Comes with a mini USB, micro USB. I guess it's a micro USB. A carabiner. It's got a little lanyard hook on it for your carabiner or lanyard. It's also got a window breaking point, and then your button is here. So not terribly bright, but on par with, or maybe brighter than the flashlight here. I do like that it came with batteries pre-installed. I guess it's a rechargeable battery. Here's your work light, which pretty comparable, and no, brighter. I guess maybe it's showing as orange to me. I don't know if it looks orange to you, but it's very orange. In the screen it's looking like white with an orange tinge to it, but it's actually very orange. And then blue, red. I guess this would be for an SOS. Which is showing up very red, very blue and red on the screen. Maybe not so much, but maybe if I reflect it off something white, you can get a better idea of the color. And it looks like it has a magnets here, and let's see, where do you plug in to charge? I guess I'd help if I read the directions, huh? I'm thinking it might be under this. Or not. Let's see. Here we go. So you unscrew the button and you can charge it or charge your phone with the included USB. All in all, a nice little package.